You know about the UFC, don't you? Yeah? You know about the Premier League, yeah? These are the two of the biggest sporting franchises in the world. The Emmanuel family, they're called. This family, you will not see them ever make mention of their religion or values or politics or anything. You can never convince someone of the unseen, you convince them of Allah. Everything comes from Allah. I wouldn't believe any person that said to me there's angels in his room. The only reason that I believe there are angels in his room is because Allah told me.
Assalamu alaikum.
Salam.
I just want to ask, what do you think about Muslim countries these days following Western values and like they're idolizing it, like they prefer it? What do you think about that?
I don't think there's much to think about it. It's obviously a collapse in our own values, in that we think that there's anything out there that are better than our own values. And it's just a sign that when you invest in packaging an ideology in the right way, it will pay dividends. They have invested trillions. Do you know about the UFC, don't you? Yeah? You know about the Premier League, yeah? These are the two of the biggest sporting franchises in the world. One is all of combat sports, and the whole world is dominated by it, not just because of Habib and Islam Makhachev, but I mean, the UFC is massive. The football of Liverpool, Manchester United, but I don't need to tell you how big that is. You know what I found out the other day? I found out the other day that there are two brothers that are sitting on the managing boards for these two sports. Two brothers. These two brothers are the son of a Zionist terrorist. Sons of a Zionist terrorists. Actually, terrorists that the Israeli government themselves have considered terrorists. Imagine that level of extreme Zionism, right? The Emmanuel family, they're called. This family, you will not see them ever make mention of their religion or values or politics or anything. They are so deeply embedded into the entertainment and sports industry, because that's what runs the world at the moment. It's what we all aspire to. And exporting that sport and entertainment, whether it's via musical movies or films or series or X or Y or Z, that has taken over the world. And the rest of the world is just saying, give us more, give us more. Not because they say this is Judo-Christian values or this is our kufr values, but it's coming in culture because they invested trillions and billions and trillions into it. So this is not going to stop. The Muslims have to realize that the only way that it stops is for people to lose their inferiority complex to everybody else and realize that what we have here is better than, more than whatever anybody could realize or value. But it will take time. It will take time.
Jazakallah khair. Just one last question. You mentioned the unseen. So many religions claim to have the unseen. So how do you convince someone that the unseen...
You don't. You cannot. You can never convince someone of the unseen. You convince them of Allah. Everything comes from Allah. I wouldn't believe any person that said to me there's angels in his room. The only reason that I believe there are angels in his room is because Allah told me. Always the answer is Tawheed. Always. You know, when we speak about Aqeedah and people say, boring Aqeedah. Or you start speaking about Tawheed, Tawheed is so boring. The truth is that we as teachers, we made it boring. We're to blame for that. But if people actually understood that Tawheed is at the core and the center and the most important thing of everything that we do, people would then not see it as boring. We call people to Tawheed because it opens everything else up. And everything else up is fantasy. Everything else is fantasy without Tawheed.